Here I have REDMI Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then go to the Fix and Manage section. Select Import from SIM. Then select which contacts you want to import. So let's import them all, and then just tap Import button, and after that these contacts will appear on your device, not only on your SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.